All right, in this video here, I'm going to show you how to change the wipers on a Subaru Ascent. This is a 2019 model, but I think it's good for all of them. I do like Bosch, and this is the AeroTwin series. I'll link it down below. This has both windshield wipers that you need, 26 and 20 inch for the driver and the passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and start switching these out. All right, here we go. As we open the box here, you can see that these blades actually has a 2-pack, and they are nicely set up in there. And as you can see, they're well protected and everything in this packaging as well. So with that, we're going to go ahead and do the install on this side over here first, on the passenger side. I'm just going to lay that down on there. We're going to go ahead and lift this up. And this has a little button on top right here. And you can see these are the correct size. And these are quite worn. But I'm going to go ahead and click that button. There's 2 hands. You just pull that right off. And the other one just slides into place. These are really easy to do, I have to say. These click button ones, these are some of the best designs I've seen. I do like the J hooks, but these are pretty easy. And now for the driver's side, I got to go around to the other side. I'll be right back. All right, I'm over here on the driver's side. As you can see, wipers are the correct size. Just press that button, they pop right up. Now, when you're doing this, you really want to make sure that you don't let go of this. You don't want this to hit the windshield because it's going to damage your windshield. So you got to make sure you can bring it up all the way and lock it in place, or you can keep it down low. But just like that, it's back in place. This is popping up right here. I just realized on my car. Another thing I'll have to get checked out. But as you can see, it's really easy to switch the wiper blades. No reason to ever have the dealer do this at $30 a wiper blade when you can buy your own online and do it yourself. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and like this video.